How to start a business with no money. So, you want to start a business, but don't have any money? Don't worry, you're not alone. Some of the biggest companies in the world started with zero investment. In this video, I'll show you exactly how you can launch your business with little to no money. By the end, you'll have a step-by-step plan to turn your idea into reality. Let's dive in. 1. The mindset shift before we jump into strategies. Let's clear one thing up. Having no money is not an excuse. What you need is creativity, resourcefulness, and the right mindset. Think about it. Facebook, Apple, Amazon, all started with little to no funding. They focused on execution, not excuses. You don't need money. You need an idea, determination, and a willingness to put in the work. So let's break it down into simple steps that anyone can follow. To find the right business idea. First, you need to choose the right business model. The best businesses to start with no money fall into 3 main categories. 1. Service-based business. If you have skills, whether it's writing, graphic design, video editing, or social media management, you can start a service-based business today. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork let you sell your skills without any upfront cost. 2. Content-based business. Have knowledge about something? Start a YouTube channel, a blog, or a podcast. These businesses take time to grow, but they cost nothing except your effort. You can monetize through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing later on. Overlay text. Content platforms: YouTube, Medium, WordPress, Substack. 3. Product-based business. Think you need inventory to sell products? Not true. With dropshipping, you can sell products online without ever touching them. Platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce let you start for free or with minimal cost. You only pay suppliers when you make a sale. 3. Leverage free tools, resources. Now that you have a business idea, let's talk about execution. You don't need money to start, you need free tools. Here are some must-have resources to get started. Website creation. Use WordPress. Comorcard, so to create a free website. Graphic design. Use Canva for free social media and business graphics. Marketing. Social media. Use Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook to promote your business for free. Productivity planning. Use Notion, Trello, or Google Docs to organize your work. These tools help you build your business from scratch without spending a dime. 4. Build your online presence. Pick the right platform. Instagram, TikTok, great for visual businesses like fashion, fitness, or art. LinkedIn, perfect for professionals and B2B services. Twitter, ideal for thought leadership and digital marketing. YouTube, best for long-term content and monetization. Remember, it's not about resources, it's about resourcefulness. See you in the next video.